Recording in progress. Good morning. This is Coach Sherry. I know Thanksgiving's coming upon us and it causes a lot of additional stress. There's cooking, cleaning, worrying about people discussing politics over dinner, and awkward social interactions where people haven't seen each other for a long time. Maybe not everybody gets along. This is just unnecessary, but it happens. It's something beyond our control. So what can we do as far as cleaning goes? Try breaking that up and prep ahead of time prior to the big day, to where you can get chunks of it done so that not everything is on your plate the day of Thanksgiving or when you get together for your big meal. And speaking of meals, when it comes to cooking, there's several things that you really can prep ahead of time. And even when you're in the kitchen, bustling away, keeping a clean kitchen environment really actually tones down your stress because you feel you can breathe a little bit easier. Like I am just adamant. Well, first of all, I kick everybody out of the kitchen. Everyone is out of my kitchen because I need to have that freedom to move around. I love cooking. It actually de-stresses me, no lie. And it's just, it's so fun for me. But what I do is I always have my sink of hot soapy water available. I keep my countertops clean. I stay on top of any dishes, and I try to prep food ahead of time so that when it comes time to put that beautiful meal together, I'm ready and I'm not stressing at the last minute. It's amazing. Now let's talk politics, as in let's not talk about politics. If you have people coming over to your house and they want to always talk politics, here's what I do. Two things I don't let people talk about: religion and politics, because it always ends up being a debate. And people, especially now in this day and age, are adamant about their views. So it's Thanksgiving, it's a time for family, it's a time for peace and love. Do not allow that conversation to take place. Just say, hey, this is not the time and the place. We are not talking politics and we are not talking religion, because it really can add to arguments, like really heated arguments. So don't allow it, okay? You're the hostess. Do not allow that. Lastly, when you have social interactions and they're awkward, and this is where you're bringing a bunch of family together, maybe guests together, and not everybody gets along. So there's always tension in the air. There's always this little unspoken stress. And so it's about respect, respecting who they are, respecting yourself, and having healthy boundaries, and just ensuring that everybody is here for a common reason. And that common reason is to be thankful. Be thankful for what you have, your blessings, you're alive, you're breathing, and not sizing each other up. So there's a lot to handle when it comes to Thanksgiving, because what we truly want to do is really embrace the meaning of this day and get the most out of that. So think about things you can do for your cooking, your cleaning, not allowing politics or religion to be spoke about, and how to stay on top of handling social awkwardness with your guests. All right, I wish you the best of luck. Take care. Much love to everybody, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.